Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the heart of West Africa to explore a dish that's not just a meal but a celebration of culture and flavor. We're talking about the flavorful, vibrant, and utterly irresistible jollof rice. This one-pot wonder is a gastronomic symbol of Ghana, a dish that unites families, graces every party table, and sparks friendly culinary debates. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this beloved dish right here in Accra, Ghana. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our flavorful journeys. Jollof rice is a one-pot dish beloved across West Africa. It's a rich and hearty meal, simmering with a symphony of flavors. A medley of ingredients, from fresh tomatoes and onions to spicy Scotch bonnet peppers and a blend of aromatic spices, all come together to create a dish that is as vibrant as the culture it comes from. The magic of jollof rice lies in its versatility. It is a staple at grand festive occasions, yet humble enough for a simple family meal. It can be customized with an array of proteins, from succulent chicken to tender beef or goat, satisfying every palate from carnivores to vegetarians. But what sets the Ghanaian version of jollof rice apart? It's all about the spice mix and the cooking technique. Ghanaians have a knack for balancing flavors to perfection, creating a taste that is distinct yet familiar. The spices are carefully selected, each playing a crucial role in the overall flavor profile of the dish. The rice is cooked to a perfect texture, neither too soft nor too firm, absorbing all the flavors of the spices and other ingredients. The Ghanaian jollof rice is more than just a dish. It's a celebration of the country's rich culinary heritage, a testament to the creativity and resourcefulness of its people, and a delicious representation of its vibrant culture. But what makes the Ghanaian version stand out? Let's find out. Jollof originated from the Senegambia region ruled by the Wolof Empire, spreading to become a staple in many West African countries, each adding their unique twist. The name Jollof itself is a derivative of Wolof, a testament to its origins. As trade routes expanded and cultures intermingled, this humble dish found its way across the region, making itself at home in kitchens from Senegal to Cameroon. But each country didn't just adopt jollof, they adapted it, infusing it with their own culinary flair. This is how we end up with the vibrant tapestry of jollof variations we see today. From the Senegalese thiaboudien, laden with fish and vegetables, to the Nigerian version, rich with parboiled rice and a variety of meats. But let's focus on Ghana. Ghanaian jollof, known for its distinctive spicy taste and perfect texture, has carved out a special place in the jollof landscape. It's not just about using the right ingredients, it's the way they are combined and cooked that sets it apart. The Ghanaians cook their rice in a well-seasoned stock, a technique that ensures every grain of rice is a flavor bomb. And then there's the spice mix. Ghanaian cuisine is known for its bold, fiery flavors, and their jollof is no exception. The precise blend of spices is a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations. But here in Ghana, it's all about the spice mix and technique. For this dish, every ingredient counts. We begin with the star of the show, the rice. Jasmine or basmati rice works best because they hold their shape and absorb the flavors beautifully. We then move on to the vibrant, juicy tomatoes. They give the dish its characteristic red color and a tangy sweetness that balances the spices. Next in line are onions. They might seem ordinary, but they add a depth of flavor that's simply irreplaceable. Now let's turn up the heat with Scotch bonnet peppers. These fiery beauties lend a kick to our jollof rice that makes it oh so delicious. Now let's talk about the spices. A blend of nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon is what we need here. Nutmeg with its warm, nutty flavor, cloves with their intense aromatic sweetness, and cinnamon adding a touch of spiciness. These spices create a symphony of flavors that make Ghanaian jollof rice truly special. Getting our hands on some fresh herbs like thyme and bay leaves is also crucial. They infuse the dish with an earthy aroma that's simply irresistible. And then we have salt. A pinch of this magic crystal brings out all the flavors and ties them together in harmony. Finally, the protein. Whether it's chicken, beef, or goat, it's marinated to perfection, adding a layer of savory richness to our jollof rice. And let's not forget the meat. Chicken, beef, or goat marinated to perfection. Let's get cooking. Today we're taking you through the steps to perfect jollof rice. The beauty of this dish lies in the symphony of flavors that meld together, transforming simple ingredients into a cultural treasure. So grab your apron, gather your ingredients, and let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the rice. Jasmine or basmati, either works perfectly. The trick is to wash the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This step is crucial to remove excess starch, ensuring our final dish is fluffy, not sticky. Next, we move on to our flavor base, the soul of our jollof rice. Take ripe, juicy tomatoes, onions, and Scotch bonnet peppers. Now, if you're not a fan of heat, you can deseed the peppers or use fewer. Blend these ingredients together into a smooth paste. This mixture is vibrant, fiery, and lays the foundation for our dish. While you're blending, let's get some oil heating in a large pot. Once the oil is hot, pour in the tomato mixture. Be careful, it might sizzle and spit. Stir it around, allowing the paste to cook down and deepen in flavor. This process can take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes, but patience is key. You're looking for the mixture to reduce and the oil to start separating from the tomatoes. Now let's turn our attention to the meat. Chicken, beef, or goat, pick your preference. The secret to mouth-watering jollof rice is well-marinated meat. Soak your chosen meat in a concoction of ginger, garlic, salt, and a splash of soy sauce. Let it sit and absorb all those flavors. Once your tomato mixture is ready, it's time to add the marinated meat. Allow the meat to brown on all sides. It's okay if it sticks a bit to the bottom. Those caramelized bits add a depth of flavor to our dish. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, adding the rice. Stir in the washed rice, ensuring each grain is coated with our vibrant tomato mixture. This step is what gives jollof rice its distinctive red color and intense flavor. Add in your spice mix, nutmeg, cloves, and cinnamon, all lending their unique notes to the dish. Once everything's mixed well, it's time to pour in the chicken stock. The stock should just about cover the rice. Now lower the heat, cover your pot, and let it simmer. The magic of jollof rice happens here, as the rice slowly absorbs all the flavors, becoming a delicious, aromatic delight. While it simmers, resist the temptation to stir. Stirring can cause the rice to become mushy. Instead, let it cook undisturbed, soaking up all the flavors. After about 20 minutes, check the rice. If it's soft and the liquid has been absorbed, your jollof rice is ready. If not, cover it back up and give it a few more minutes. Finally, fluff up your rice with a fork, releasing all the trapped steam. Your jollof rice should be vibrant, fluffy, and aromatic, each grain distinct yet part of a flavorful whole. And there you have it, the perfect pot of Ghanaian jollof rice. Remember, the secret to a great jollof rice is patience. Let each ingredient have its moment, let the flavors melt together, and cook it low and slow. That's where the magic happens. While our jollof cooks, let's discuss its significance. Jollof rice is more than just a savory, spicy dish enjoyed across Ghana. It's a culinary ambassador, a symbol of the vibrant Ghanaian culture, and a delicious testament to our shared history and heritage. Now, picture this: a bustling Ghanaian marketplace. The air is filled with the tantalizing aroma of spices and the friendly banter of vendors. Among the many foods being sold, one dish stands out: jollof rice. Its rich color and enticing scent draw in locals and visitors alike. But jollof is more than just a market staple. It's a dish that transcends the everyday. It graces the tables of weddings, christenings, and funerals, cementing its place in the most significant moments of our lives. Each serving of jollof rice carries with it a sense of togetherness, a shared joy, or a shared sorrow. And let's not forget the age-old tradition of communal cooking. Picture a large pot of jollof rice simmering over an open flame, surrounded by a group of women, each contributing to the dish. This isn't just cooking, it's a ritual, a bonding experience passed down through generations. So what gives jollof rice this deep cultural significance? I believe it's the fact that it tells a story. A story of a dish that originated from the Senegambia region, traveled through time and across borders, and evolved while still retaining its core essence. It's a story of the people who cook it, the hands that mold it, and the mouths that savor it. The beauty of jollof rice lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's a dish that can be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of their social status. It's a dish that brings people together, unites families, and bridges cultural gaps. So, as our jollof rice continues to simmer and the spices work their magic, let's appreciate this dish for what it truly is. It's not just food, it's a symbol of community and celebration. Now the best part, the taste test. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The moment of truth has finally arrived. As the aroma of the cooked jollof rice fills the air, there's an eager anticipation that's almost tangible. The vibrant colors of the dish are a feast for the eyes, a testament to the array of spices and ingredients that have come together to create this Ghanaian masterpiece. As the spoon dives into the pot, there's a slight hush. A serving of the jollof rice is dished out onto a plate, the grains glistening with flavor. The first bite is a moment of revelation. The richness of the tomatoes, the heat of the Scotch bonnet peppers, the subtle hint of cloves and cinnamon all blend together in a harmonious symphony of flavors. There's a collective sigh of appreciation as everyone savors the taste. The perfectly cooked grains of rice, each one separate yet coated with the heady spice mix, the succulence of the meat, and the overall balance of flavors is simply remarkable. This is not just a dish, it's a gastronomic journey that tells a story, a narrative of Ghanaian culture, tradition, and love for food. The verdict is unanimous. The jollof rice has indeed lived up to the hype. It's a testament to the culinary prowess of Ghana, a dish that embodies the spirit of its people. Every spoonful of jollof is a celebration of Ghanaian culture and culinary genius. And there you have it, Ghanaian jollof rice, a dish as rich in flavor as it is in history. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're inspired to try making this incredible dish at home. Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep savoring the flavors of heritage.